Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am chronically disorganized, I admit it. So I have an organization tool with me that I want to share with you. This is an amazing item that has a ton of pockets, tabs to keep you organized, bright colors that also help, and it's spiral bound, so you can hold it open and it stays flat.
So this is a project organizer from Smead, and it's just pockets, which is really useful to me. They've also included an insert of self-adhesive labels that you can print and then place on the tabs. I haven't used these yet because I'm not organized enough to figure out how I want to label each pocket, but if you are ready to make that step, they've included those labels for you, which I think is really nice. It's very sturdy and it's not going to bend easily. I think that this is going to really help me to keep like my stationery and my envelopes and my stamps all well organized.
It's important for me that things stay flat when I open them, and that's exactly what this does. I've been really happy with this. It's kept things exactly where I need them to be, and it's kept my envelopes, my stamps, my stationery from getting dog-eared because there's a pocket literally on every page. I've been very happy with this, and that is my point of view.